What's up? I'm Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 9 years old. I'm the co-founder of tenniscoderkids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel. And you're watching Saiasmi Gupta's channel, obviously. And my channel's name is Saiasmi Gupta. Okay, so let's start. And today we are gonna continue our Python sets chapter, and this is part 2. If you have not seen my first video, it's Python sets part 1, in which we are learning Python sets. They are unordered, unindexed, unchangeable. Okay, so you should watch that video and then watch this video. Now we are gonna learn add and remove set items today. So let's begin. Oops. Okay. Okay, good. Now, so Python adds set items. Add items. Once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new items. It means like this is a set, okay, apple, banana, and cherry. So you cannot change banana to pineapple, but you can add like orange over here behind this. Like you can add orange, you can add anything, and you can remove anything. So, once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new items. To add one item to a set, use the add method. So, we want to add an orange. So, what we'll do, like there's an add method, and it can add things in a set. So first we are making a set. This set apple, banana, cherry. Then we want to add orange. Then so we'll say this set dot add orange and then print this set. But as the sets are unordered, or when this is added orange can be in random places. It can come first in the list, second in the list. It can come orange, banana, apple, cherry, and cherry, banana, orange, apple. So it's a random order. It has random order. See, right now we had added it, so orange, cherry, banana, and apple has come. So there's a random order. Now, to add a set item from another set into a current set, use the update method. So basically it is trying to say that if you want, like we have made two sets, okay, this set and a tropical set. So, and if I want that these tropical sets items come in this set item only, then how do I do it? So that is the method. It's an update method which will help you do it. First you will make two sets, then you will say this set dot update tropical. So what will it do now? The tropical items, it will add them all into this set. Okay, so now this set has 6 items: apple, banana, cherry, pineapple, mango, and papaya. And then we'll print this set, but it can come in random order. It can come like apple, mango, papaya, cherry, banana, pineapple. So it's a very random order. I'll do like this. See? So it's coming in random order because sets are unordered, unindexed. This is the thing that you cannot access sets by indexes or the keyword. Okay, now ahead, add any iterable. The object in the update method does not have to be a set. It can be any iterable objects, tuples, lists, dictionaries, etc. Oh, so using the it's like you over here these are given what do you say, list brackets. So it's basically trying to tell you can add lists also, you can add dictionaries also in it, right? See, what is it saying? The object in the update method does not have to be a set. It's saying like it should not be update is like it should not be only sets can be added. No, it can be list, it can be dictionaries, it can be sets, it can be mm, tuple. Okay, so over here we are doing we have first made a set, this set. Then we have made a list which is called my list, the variable's name. Okay, and you do this set dot update my list. So it will add the my list items into the this set item. It will not get an error. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so the add set items are done. Now for the remove set items. Now remove set items. Remove item. To remove an item in a set, you use the remove or the discard method. This is a very important chapter. This you need to learn very nicely. It's so important. You'll get to know lots and lots of methods over here. So, to remove an item in a set, use the remove or discard method. So if you want to like remove a banana from this set, you can remove you can use the remove method. So if you want to remove banana, you will say first you will make a this set, of course, then you'll say this set dot remove, and then the item you want to remove. So I want to remove right now banana, so I have given banana over here. So only apple and cherry will come, but in random order. Now, note if the item to the remove does not, like, it means like it's saying like if here I okay, so cherry, if I've give, oh no, sorry, not cherry, um if I've given pineapple, now what will it get? It will get an error because that item is not existing in it. Okay, pineapple, like it's not existing in it. This item is not existing, so it will get an error. Just wait, see. And now next is the discard method. It works like same, just like what do you say? Just like the remove method, but it has like if you give a pineapple, it will not raise an error. It will not raise an error. Okay, see. So this is the only difference between discard and remove. Only difference. See, this is the note. If the item to remove does not exist, discard will not raise an error. But if you see in the remove note, it will raise an error. Okay. So you can also use the pop method to remove an item, but this method will remove the last item. Remember that sets are unordered, so you will not know what item oops gets removed. The return value of pop method is the removed item. So I know you must have not understood at all. So I'll tell you. What is it meaning? It's saying the pop method will remove the last item, cherry. So if it removes the last item, okay. So what will come the answer, guys? I think so you're saying cherry? No, guys, it will not come cherry. Like because sets are unordered. Instead of cherry, here can be banana also and apple also. So you don't know what item is getting removed. If right now it's unordered and it's getting like apple is in the end because they are unordered, maybe then it will remove apple. So there's not a specific like last item is cherry I've given, so cherry will get removed. But see, over here apple was given, so it showed which item has removed, then the set which has no apple in it. Okay, note, sets are unordered, so when using the pop method you don't know which item gets removed. Okay. Oh, the clear method. Nice. So there's a clear method which empties the set. It like basically it erase all the items in it. It's like a eraser. Okay. But eraser removes everything. It's like the del keyword. It removes everything. It just it just deletes it completely, right? But from the clear method the set will remain but its item will not remain. So the answer, so this will come clear, so it will come set and the brackets. See, set and these brackets, so it has like completely empty, it's cleared it but it has not removed the set, it has not deleted the full entire set. But there's a del keyword which will basically remove this full set, it will literally delete it. So but it will raise an error because we have first deleted this set. So if we say print this set, then if we have deleted, then there's no set here. That's why it will raise an error that there's no set, then how should I print it, right? See, it has given the note also. This will raise an error because the set does not longer exist. Okay, and we have finished. Let's see how long is the loop sets. Oh, this is very where only one thing. So let's complete this chapter also. So Python loop set. You can loop through the set items by using a for loop. If you want to like loop through them, you want to loop through them and print the values of them, you can use the for loop and like basically it's like just make the set and then you give the for loop that for x in this set. Over here there can be anything, it can be a also, a also, right? It's kind of one variable which you can give any name. It's like any name. It's a variable we are making. See? Right? But see, right now you must be thinking, oh, apple, banana, cherry is coming and this same order is here also. But no, friends, next time it will get wrong. It will get unordered, you'll see cherry, banana, apple. So there is not a defined order, not a pattern in which it will go on, right? And we have finished loop sets also. Now in the next video we will complete in the next video we will complete join sets and Python methods and Python exercises. And guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and watch my new recently video I have uploaded with my best friend Advika. Her name is Advika, and we did a Roblox challenge in which she won. And I needed to, because I had gotten penalty, I needed to listen two things of her. So don't forget to watch that video and keep on watching my channel and stay safe, stay healthy, keep watching my channel, get entertained and have fun. Bye.